call them home.
Dust on my shoes from a long, loud road. Every note turned ballast to hold my load. Sleep was a rumor, faith was a flame. I kept it cupped till it learned my name.
Skies wouldn't open, so I stitched a seam. Pulled down, dawn and wore it like a dream.
Count your breath, steady the light. Nerves like wires, spark the night. If fear draws borders on your skin, step across and start again. Crown the horizon, 808s rising. Brass like sun, like choir surprising. Crown the horizon, let the dark resign. Write your victory line by line. I'm the thunder you can't confine. I'm the calm that sharpens time. Crown the horizon. I kept a map of broken tries, folded tight behind my eyes. Turn each crack to golden thread, wove a bridge where doubt had bled. I'm not the storm they warned about. I'm the shelter born from doubt.
If the gate won't swing,
We forged the key.
if the way is thin,
We wide and free. Crown the horizon, beats like steel. 808 truth you taste and feel. Crown the horizon, let the skyline kneel. Watch our names turn real.
crown it, own it,
No retreat,
kids, boom, boom.
mid-repeat.
Crown it, own it.
No retreat.
I was the echo in an empty hall.
Till we filled it with a human call.
I was the spark that feared the rain.
I was the rain that eased the pain.
Together with the weather change.
Wire stacks, filtered 808 sticking hats.
Name your fear.
Let it hear that we're still here. Crown the horizon, let the night give way. Brass like banners, bright as day.
We rise,
We rise, we rise, we rise and rise.
mark this day. Writing bold, so down, so big.
Yours were yours, names.
Soft decay.
Crown the horizon.
Now, edges of the world.
We call them home.
Dust on my shoes from a long, loud road. Every note turned ballast to hold my load. Sleep was a rumor, faith was a flame. I kept it cupped till it learned my name.
Skies wouldn't open, so I stitched a seam. Pulled down, dawning, wore it like